Okay, so now we have a shopping list for buying this item. Now we need to know the top three. The top three by agreement in the group. What are the three most important things that we must consider when buying this item? So you have another minute or two to consider the most important factor or factors. 1, 2 or 3 maximum.
Price, quality, brand, colour. So price is definitely colour and
you copied it on yourself.
I did. What are you on about? You copied us. We already have them down like so I don't know where you're going. You're actually writing the exact same. You actually are. Chris, you wearing socks on your feet now? You wearing socks on your feet? Did you buy them? Why'd you buy them? Yeah, exactly.
Wasn't the longest of lists. Have you picked the number 1 on the list now, or number 2? Or put them in order, maybe. Put them in order. Okay. Finish off your choices, please, of the top 3, top 2 maybe, items on the list. So we're calling this a FIP. We're prioritising the items. So do a FIP on the main factors we're considering. Okay, please finish off. We'd love to hear. We don't need to hear from everyone, so if you don't want to speak, that's okay. What we'd like to know is in each group, what were you going to buy? What was the item? And then we'll like to hear the number of items on your list. We don't want to hear the whole list. We just want to hear how many. And then the final question is, what's the top 3? Okay, so, and there's an interesting lesson in this. There's an interesting lesson. Let me help you explore it. Right, who'd like to start us off? Which group would like to start us off? Oh, I see a hand already. Okay, so my 3 questions. Number 1, what item were you going to buy?
Pair of socks.
Pair of socks, okay. So if you need some socks, this is where to go for help. How many items on the list, approximately? 11 items, and what were the top 3, please, in any order?
Price, colour and brand.
Price, colour and brand, okay. There's an example of how we use the CAF and the FIP together. Thank you very much indeed. Another group, please, another group. May we have someone at the back? Okay, go ahead. What were you going to buy?
Ferrari.
A? Ferrari. Of course, a Ferrari, okay. Socks here, Ferrari there. Ferrari, okay. How many items on your shopping list? Don't tell us all, just tell me how many. 8 major items, okay. And the top 3, please, when buying a Ferrari.
How much would it be when you get full utility from it and the running costs?
And the running costs, okay, thank you. So there we are. If you're going to go and buy a Ferrari this weekend, you know where to go for help. Okay, so that's the CAF and the FIP working together. Another one, please, another group. Yes, go ahead. What were you going to buy?
PlayStation.
A PlayStation, okay. How many items on the list? 9 items on the list. Top 3, please. Okay, cost, how long will it last, and have you got good internet connection? Okay, your choice of the top 3. Okay, someone else, please. Okay, go ahead. What were you going to buy? So, you've heard PlayStation, Ferrari, socks, goat. Okay, don't forget you heard it here first. This is an important consumer forum here today. You're going to buy a goat. How many items? 7 items when buying a goat. Top 3. This is really important. I do hope we get this on film. Right. The top 3 items when buying a goat are...
The price?
The price?
Does it have 4 legs?
Does it have 4 legs? 3-legged goats and 4-legged goats. Okay. And?
Where would it stay?
And where would it stay? Where will you keep it? Yeah? Important things when buying a goat. Always count the legs. Remember. And it should have them in the right places. Okay. Thank you very much. Well done. Okay. Do we have more?